As discussed in the previous video, after our journey through Arthur's Pass, we spent 2 nights in the warm and congenial beach town of Hokitika. In case you were wondering, we stayed at 9 different places during our 16 days in New Zealand. Hokitika Gorge is only 40 or so minutes away and one of the main attractions in the area.
We love rainforests. Been at the mountains, the beaches, the rivers, the glaciers, the peaks, the valleys, and it's still 5 p.m. and the sun goes down at 9.
The gorge is known for its turquoise blue color due to glacial flour, which is a fine powder of ground up rock that suspends in the water and therefore gives it its cloudiness. On this hike, we were delighted to see our first kiwi, New Zealand's famous and flightless national bird. The kiwi is so significant that around the world, New Zealanders themselves are referred to simply as Kiwis.
Wow. Look at this place. Oh, we're moving. The bridge is bouncing. Look at this place. Incredible. We're gonna get down there, I think. The bugs just started to get a little gnar for the first time on the trip. And weirdly enough, I liked it. Made me feel like I was in my element. Picture queen. Let's turn around here. Bridge bounces for sure. Wow. Man. Thank you to whoever put this suspension bridge here. What a place. Said there's salmon down there. I got my salmon lure from Alaska. Your guess is as good as mine. So, I would love to pull a salmon out of there. Florida.
There was also cloudiness in the sky the day that we went, but you can see that even on a commonly overcast day, the watercolor was nonetheless impressive.
Here we are at the final overlook. That looks like a lot of fun. We're going down there. We're gonna drone. We're gonna fish. We're gonna climb rocks. We're gonna jump off of stuff. Might even, I don't know, but we're gonna do it all. Do as I say, not as I do. Wise words of crazy Russian uncle. Follow him on Instagram. Good friend of mine. People have died here. I hear somebody behind me saying something about being careful or something. I haven't fallen off of anything too severe yet. Oh, look at this. We're gonna get it all. And then we're gonna switch. Look at this. We're gonna drone. It's gonna be awesome. Yes!
If you go visit Hokitika Gorge, do not go without making the 40-minute hike down to the beach area. You will cross a suspension bridge that spans the gorge. This was our first suspension bridge, and we ended up crossing quite a few more on our other hikes across the South Island.
Home. Home. Goodbye, son. Now's like the only time you can actually stare at it for a little bit.
I know.